Ikaw ang panay butas!
Teka, anong panay butas? Ano mo lang kung panay butas?
Panay butas ka naman ba? Anong panay butas?
Panakip! Sabi, panakip butas. Ha? Action!
Minahal mo ba talaga ako? Ginawa mo lang akong panay butas!
Yo, what's up, man? What's your problem, man? Are you rapping, man?
Sumagot ka!
No, I'm not. I just appreciate your... I just appreciate
You just appreciate my what? You just appreciate my what? You appreciate my what you call it, man?
Beautiful.
Huh?
You are so beautiful. You are like an angel.
Ito naman. Salamat.
Pwede ko ba
Okay na
mag-pick up
yun.
line?
Ha?
Pick up line.
Sige, pick up line. Go.
Angel, yung pag-ibig ko sa'yo parang nagbebenta lang ng taho.
Bakit?
Kasi kahit sobrang bigat, pagsisigawan ko, I love you, Angel. Seryoso.
Galing. Ay, naku talaga ka sa pick up line. Hindi ka kasi umadlib. Gusto mo lang sumabay? May pick up line ka ba? Sige na, doon ko. Kiss ko, Angel. Sige. Kiss ka. Kunin mo yung calci block. Open apple. Okay, it's your turn to shine.
May pick up line siya. Ready siya.
Oh, ready. Baka meron ka dyan. Sige, isa lang. Go.
Oh, may gusto ka bang pick up line?
Ay!
Ready ka na?
Alam mo, ngayong Pasko, naging mabait ako.
Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko sa darating...
Gusto ko sa darating...
Hindi na umabot sa Pasko.
Wala na! O, sige, last na to, ha?
Oy, last mo na yan.
Alam mo, ngayong Pasko, naging mabait ako.
Anong mabait? Mabait! Niloloko mo si Angel Oxin, eh. Last na to, ha? Ay, naku, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Last na to, ha? Dito ka. Isa pa. Perfecto sa kita sa Fallopian tube pag ito din na perfect.
Kotse ka ba?
Ano?
No, kotse!
Bakit?
Kasi, ang English ng kotse ay car.
Ay, tatanong lang sa'yo. Tao ka ba? Tao ka ba?
Oo.
Bakit?
Tinama ko yan. Tao ka ba?
Bakit?
Di halata.
Teka lang, hindi ko na-gets yung car. Paano yung car? Sayin natin lahat, ito lang hindi din yung
Oo,
ginawa
pwede
nangyayari.
pwede pang explain
I will
mo.
translate to you later, ha?
Kasi
Everything.
Si May Love, si Bong, di ba, nandito siya kanina. So, siya yung ka-pick up lines ko lagi sa Toda Mac. So, explain mo naman sa akin, bakit car? Oo, bakit
Kotse
car?
ka ba? Kasi, ano sinabi mo, kotse ka ba? Bakit? Kasi ang...
English ng kotse ay car.
Bakit? Ano na yun?
Alam ko naman yun siguro.
Hindi, pwede mo sinasabi ko sa'yo, sisiguraan kita. Kahit malus-lusan kita, hindi kita tatantanan sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Eh, baka
Hindi.
akala niya hindi ko pa alam. So, baka tinuturuan lang niya sa akin yung
Oh.
English ng
Pump
coach.
up, ang boy, pick up. Okay, it's your turn now, ha? Better do this quick and perfect.
Might? You're from the land down under?
Yeah, down
Under? What's your
underwear.
Desire?
Get low.
Oh, 6 feet under.
Okay.
Okay.
I want it with accent, okay?
Australian accent or Filipino?
Lebanese, you know. Lebanese.
You know Cebuana? Cebuana?
Like,
English.
do you like it in like an English accent, like I'm from a band or something like
It's
that?
okay lang, man. If you wanna do Bisaya, okay.
Yeah. No, I want Australian accent.
Australian.
Okay.
Australian. Go!
Okay.
Minahal mo ka, o ginawa mo lang akong panakit butas.
Hindi, ginawa mong malakit butas. Ikaw ay minahal ko talaga.
Well, I just don't understand what you're saying to me, darling.
Pareho lang tayo, no? Quits lang tayo. Kung nag-nosebleed ka sa akin, nag-nosebleed din ako sa'yo.
I don't have a handkerchief in my back pocket.
You like my my young husband. You're like my young husband. You spoken in English like that. So
Why don't we
Rich,
go outside and sort it out on the Barbie?
Oh, wala na.
the Barbie, the Barbie doll,
No, the barbecue.
the barbecue. Do you have a barbecue?
Don't you remember
Like
when we went
Rotary
out
on Esau?
Don't you remember when we used to go out into the paddock just hunting for sheep?
Sheep?
Sheep.
Ah, ship ka. Ano, ship ka.
Are you
Do you pack
saying
sheep?
in
Do you
sheep?
pack sheep?
I'm not saying sheep.
Do you pack sheep?
So, who's
But I'm
sheep?
saying we used to roam the lands down under
Ano sila ulo?
together. We used to go for walkabout with the fellow Aborigines.
Wait, but I'm the one you
The
used to love.
Aboriginals?
I know,
I'm the one you used to love.
I know, but
Now that
she
she's
knows
here-
how to find the right sheep.
What?
I'm sheep?
She found my sheep.
Oh, you talk to her. I'm okay with it. Ang hirap. Okay, thank you so much. So that's,
Thank
that's
you. You know,
fine.
because my English is only okay for 2 minutes. After that, I die. So,
Yeah.
no, but thank you
I
so
can slow
much.
down for you next time.
No, you don't have to slow down. I will catch up.
I like that.
Ah, no more slowing down, okay? Your nose,
I learned your national anthem actually.
Yeah. You know what? Our national anthem?
Okay, go back.
It's not supposed to be sung here.
Not here.
Not here. Do you know the Philippine national animal?
It's the small monkey.
My God, are you talking about this one? No. Are you talking about the tarsier? No, tarsier is not
The tarsier.
No, that's not the national animal.
national animal.
The national animals. Ano horse? Masira ulo ko, niloloko niya. Kalabaw pa yan. Di ba, nung bata kami kalabaw, hanggang ngayon ba ngayon pa rin? Nowadays, it's a horse.
It's a horse.
Yeah, it's a horse. Yeah.
You know I wrote a song for you guys.
I-enhance mo ako dito, T. Enhance mo. Enhance mo ako sa kanya. Sabihin mo lang po.
I-announce kita.
Enhance.
Enhance.
I-announce. Hey, boys! Ganda! I-announce mo.
Okay, so you're saying you wrote a song for her.
Yeah, I came up with this song in the shower for her. Yeah.
Oh, when you were in the
You
shower,
wanna
you were
sing
thinking about
When I
me?
was in the shower, I was thinking about you guys.
Why were you thinking
I-
about me when you were in the shower? Do you think I'm a plumber?
I don't know, maybe, you don't even have the shower head where I'm living. I gotta use the dipper. You know that thing?
Deeper pala yun? Deeper? I'm sorry, I don't know deeper. Only deep throat, yeah.
Speaking of deep throat,
No, you're just deeper.
the dipper.
Okay, so what is the song about?
It's about me walking down the street and I see you on the road and I can't stop it.
Ano ko
But
street
Sarah,
children?
you dance with me.
And then,
I can't stop but grab your hand and start doing my thing.
oh.
I've always thought about taking you out to the club.
Excuse
you
lang,
know.
Angel, ah. Kung gusto mo sa nakakagoyo, di kasi ako, sayang yung...
Go lang, te. Di aura mo na yan.
We can
Market
roll
natin yan.
for it.
Sayang, te. Aura ka lang dyan, girl.
Sayang din kasi, nakakabusog din. Okay. But at this point, we have to decide who wins, okay?
Okay.
If it's you or these two, okay? The people will decide.
The people will decide.
Yeah, the people will decide. Because as they say, the voice of the people is the voice of God. Vox populi, vox Dei. Hoy, edit yun kasi hindi ako sure kung tama yung sinabi ko. Hindi ako sure. Okay, halika na. Sino kaya sa kanilang tatlo ang tatanggap ng pagkasarap na halik ni Angel Oxy? Sino bang nauna? Ikaw nauna. Ikaw ka. Malungkot ka ba? Masaya. Okay, kaya sa pamamagitan ng palakpak na may kasamang hiyaw, number 1! Number 2! Number 3! Kung sino pinakamalakas sa palakpak yun ang talo. Hindi ko na-explain ha. Kung sino pinakamalakas palakpak yun ang talo ha. Pinakamalakas palakpak, talo ha. Okay, number 1! Pinakamalakas palakpak, talo ha. Number 1! Number 2! Number 3! Number 1! Number 2! Number 1! Number 2, one!